Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to all my wonderful subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button below and also click on that bell icon. It will definitely notify you whenever I upload a new and interesting video. So in today's video we are going to be talking about the Japanese secret, the secret that is no longer a secret. You all know by now that rice and rice water is the main thing in Japanese face care, skincare regimen. Japanese women love to use rice and rice water on their skin, on their face. They normally soak their body in rice water and they use it for their hair and their skin. That is why their skin and their hair and everything about them is very glowy. Their hair is very silky smooth and very healthy, and their skin is also very glowy, silky smooth as well, and very clean. It has this glass clean looking, but I have been using this for a week now, non-stop, every day for a week, and I must say this is absolutely amazing. Rice water, do not throw away your rice water. Keep it and use it on yourself because the benefit is real. So there is so many ways to make rice water. You can soak it overnight, 24 hours. You can soak it for 30 minutes, or you can soak it for 1 hour, and then you can also just put the rice in the bowl, add the water, rinse it a bit, and then use the water like that. Or you can actually boil the rice and then use the water. But for me, I love to soak my rice. That is the method that I love using, even for my hair and my skin. That is the method that I use all the time. Soaking my rice is one of those things that I love to do. So I am using the soaking method. I have soaked it overnight, and before you apply it on your face, because the soaking method is very hard on the skin, even on the hair as well, because too much protein, not good. So if you are using the soaking method, try and dilute it a bit with a little bit of water and then use it. So this is it, and this is it again. I will show you how I have been using this for a week now. So the number one method that I like to use will be to sprinkle it all over my face and just massage it properly after I have actually washed my face with my favorite face cleanser. I will put this on my face and massage it properly all over, and then rinse it. So that is the rinsing, will I call it the rinsing method. So just basically apply it all over the face. If you have like a day that I didn't wear makeup on my face, I will not use any other thing. I will basically use only rice water. But if you have makeup on your face, try and first of all wash out the makeup out of your face before you put it. That's why I said use a cleanser or something. If you have makeup on your face, then use that first. But basically throughout this summer, I've been staying out of makeup for a bit. So basically if I have no makeup on, I will just sprinkle this rice water on my face. So after massaging it in just like that and using my palm and just massaging it properly all over my face, then I go and just rinse it off with warm water. So I am back after I have rinsed it off with warm water, and this is what I do. So number 2 method that I like to do is my favorite. Add the rice water inside the sandwich bag and just put it inside your freezer and let it freeze for a bit, and then you take it out. This method is actually good for closing your pores and all that. Then you take it out and then you start massaging it all over your face. It's very cold and all that, but this is so good for closing that pores and tightening that pores. This is absolutely good for it. So I'll just massage it all over my face like that, and it's very cold as well, but it's for a good cause. So massage it all over my face like that, and for this one I just leave it alone to dry in. I just leave it alone just after massaging the cold ice all over my face. I just leave it alone to just dry. This helps to tighten and close all the pores that you may have, and this is why when you see Japanese women, their face is like silky smooth. The last method that I do on my face is when I come out of the shower, I'll just take a cotton bud like that and I'll just dab the rice water on it like that. I'll just dab the rice water. And just use it and massage it on my face like that. Is the last method that I like. I'm not saying that you're gonna do all those methods. You can do any one that you choose to do, and basically this one, when I do it, I just leave my face alone to dry as well and then go about my business. This is all the method that I have used throughout this week, trying it on my face, and each of them methods are very, very effective and they work wonderful. So this is my face after all that rice water. But yes, so I really like to use it, and this rice water is very good for skin. It just improves your skin glow, it reduces the pores and overall health of your skin as well. So this is the way I use it on my face, and I have seen amazing results. So thank you guys for stopping by to my channel. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.